Building a church with crossing tower, transepts, clear stories, arcades, side aisles and a precinct wall using Church Builder. This model was built by two Year 5 children at St Anne's Primary School, Ormskirk, Luke and Abby. They learned how to use Church Builder, then built the model by lunchtime. I'll now demonstrate how they did it. First, we add a nave, crossing tower and a chancel. We click on the side wall of the tower to select it, then we add a transept. And we do the same on the other side. We click on the crossing tower roof to select the tower, then add a tower section. We right-click on the tower section wall to select that section, and we change it to a spire octagonal. We use the slider to change the spire's height parameter. We shall now add clear stories to the nave walls. Select a nave wall, then add a wall section to it, and turn off the irritating tooltip help. We adjust the height of the lower section as required. We add an arch, which we're going to customize. First, we select the arch by clicking the black square in the 2D view at the bottom. We then change its type to equilateral. Then we copy the arch. We select the wall section again and paste multiple copies of the arch to it. We add columns to the arches. We select the upper wall section and add windows to it. We select the lower wall section and add a side aisle to it. We select the side aisle by clicking on its roof. We adjust the front height as appropriate. We select the side aisle wall. We add a window and select it in the 2D view down at the bottom. We change its type to equilateral. We copy the window. And we must select the wall to paste it correctly. We can now copy the whole nave side and paste it to the other side. We select the nave wall, click on copy. And select the other nave wall and click on paste. To get the arches, etc. to line up correctly with the other side, we need to reverse this side. Side aisle offset needs to be adjusted to get it to line up with the nave's west end. We now work on the west end. We add a wall section. We add an arch for a doorway. We select the top section and we add a window. We select the window in the 2D view, then we can change its height, width, and type. We click on the grass to unselect the wall section. We'll now take a look inside the church. Click on the full screen tab to get a better view. The altar, chancel screen, pulpit and font are added by default. Next, we'll add a picture. Select the east wall, add a picture. Drag it into position in the 2D view. Select an image. This can be a JPEG from anywhere on the system. Reset the view, click on the grass to cancel the selection of the wall. Here is a full screen view again. We go back to the part screen view. We shall now add the precinct wall. In the bird's eye view, we click on a sequence of points set in the corners of the wall. We complete the circuit by selecting Finish Closed Wall. We can raise the height of the wall. We can select an individual wall face and add a battlement. We add an arch to make an entrance to the precinct. In the 2D view, we can drag the arch into position, and we can make it wider. We select the wall face again and add a tower. We right-click on the wall of the tower to select the tower section. We can change its type to round. We add another tower section and right-click on its wall to select it and change its type to spire cone. We can complete the tower with a battlement. We select the whole tower by clicking on its roof. We can now change the position of the tower with its left offset and indent parameters. We can now copy and paste this tower to all the corners of the precinct wall. We select each wall face in turn and click on Paste. We should now create a tour of the church. First, we click on the Tour tab and click on Create a new tour. Click on a sequence of points to set the path to be followed. We click on Finish Tour to complete the tour. Click on Glide to run the tour. And there we are, Church Builder. See the description section below for links to more information and the software itself.